Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, we have sapphire black grapes guys. This is sapphire black grapes. This is my first time to try it. So let's start to eat guys. Wow. This, this is grapes guys, but mmm. Mmm. Sour little bit guys, but it's yummy, huh? This is my first time to eat guys. This type of black. See, long. It's long, huh? Mmm. Mmm. Yum, yum. Mmm. It seems like the color is seems like a black plum. Yung lumboy sa atin, we called it lumboy in Philippines. The color, you see, this is called sapphire black grapes. But see, it's a long one. Sweet, yeah. I have a sweet. I have also a sour little bit, but it's like tastes like same, but only the shape, uh, the the size, the long one, like a small cucumber, huh? The size one, like a small cucumber, huh? Mmm, yummy, yummy girl. I ate with no dipping sauce, guys. This is lovely. Love it. I'm curious only what the test. That's why I said I need to do a video of this type of grapes. It's a grapes one. Mm. I don't know how much this one in your counter, guys, but this one I bought is 19 RM. Mm. 19. The box is 500. Comes in 500 grams. This one. Mm. I'm curious. The guy I asked me, what is that? Grapes. Okay. It's really true. This is my first time to try this type of grapes. Mm. Mm. You guys seen like this in a supermarket there? Just try it. Then let me know what is your first time taste about this. Oh, I love it. I really love it. You see? This is you like a stick, oh. A small cucumber. Mm. Yeah, not even look like a grapes. The grapes we always say is the circle one. Huh? This is only thing. Mm. Amusing. It's truly amusing one. But the taste is it tastes like grapes also lah, but only this shape one. I love it. I love it, guys. Huh? Mm. Huh? I'm curious about the taste, but it's similar. Uh, Similar, but only the shape. More sweeter, more sweet than the regular circle one, but the skin have a sour little bit one, and the inside one's sweet one. I love it. I love it. Like a bottle one. Yeah? Like a bottle. Small bottle. Mmm. Yummy. Mm. It look like a sapphire also. mm. Mm. If you're curious, guys, about the test, go to the shop, guys. Shopping mall inside. You see this type, this ano, this this type of grapes. You buy it. Try it. Amazing. Hmm. Alam mo na kung ano yung iniisip ko. Mm. Yummy. It's really yummy. At one more. No seed at all. No seed. Less. Hmm? No seed at all. You can direct it like this guy. Because it's a seedless. Hmm? Hmm. It is also safe for the baby guys because it's a seedless guys. I don't know if the baby or no, the kids want to eat like this type of a grape one, huh? No seedless. It's a seedless. Mm. Mm. Yummy guys. Yummy. I can finish it. mm. I love it. I love it. Mm. I don't know the kids want to eat like this one because we always seen the circle one, huh? Mm. But it's very safe to eat for the kid because no seedless. It's a seedless. I love it. We always see like this one grapes, right? The circle one. Also black color, that is circle one, but this one is fantastic. I really amazed. I really amazed the shape one. It's really cool. And it is also a seedless one. Oh. Mm. Loving it. This type of variety of this crepes, guys, are amazing. Ah, yummy. Sour a little bit, but totally seedless. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoy watching my video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.